What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to go over why your network is your net worth. When running a book business, obviously you want to have a lot of networks, in your network you want to have libraries, thrift stores, think places with books, anywhere that has books, sources in general. You want to be networked with those, and these are going to lead. One source is going to tell another source about you, and then this source is going to tell this source about you, and then this source is going to tell the source that already told this source about you, and then they're going to think you're super badass, so they're both going to tell a new source about you. So this is going to be super awesome once you build that network. The next one that I'm going to hit on is you want to definitely have someone like a recycler or a thrift store that has the capacity to take a lot of duds. So regardless whether you're running a bulk model or a cherry picking model or a book pickup model, eventually at some point you're going to need someone to take your duds. Okay. Social media guys, you're going to want to network with these guys that have big Facebook groups, because if you ever have a message that you want to get across, or if you ever want to reach out to the community, these guys are going to help you out. Other sellers in general, maybe you got a big lead in Florida, but you can't handle it, but you have a guy in Florida that can, and either you do it for you pass that lead off for him and he does it for free, or you say, hey, look, for a 15% finder's fee, just give me 15% of the profit. I can't take this deal on myself. Or you just do a favor and expect a favor in return in the future, or you do a favor and expect nothing in return, and then good things will just happen. You also want to network with mentors, find people ahead of you, which goes back to the social media guys. Maybe you just are in the Facebook groups and you see someone crushing it and you say, hey, could I pay you $100 for your time and pick your brain for an hour? And maybe if they like you, you develop a relationship. I have yet to establish a relationship, an ongoing relationship with Amazon, but it'd be nice. I know some wholesale guys who have gone to these Amazon networking events, and they've met Amazon representatives. That is a big deal, because if I call Amazon up, and I know $1 million sellers, that if they call Amazon up, they are just going to talk to a virtual assistant, essentially. They're going to talk to someone overseas who can't help them get anywhere. Successful people, this is probably the most important one. You want to network with people much more successful than you. Now, this doesn't even have to be in the book business at all. This could be in a completely separate business. But you want to network with these people because you want to see how they think. You want to know what their thought processes are, how they act, like what do they do with their money, how do they think about money. And this sounds super cliche saying this, but easier said than done. Go to these events, find super successful people and hang around them. So that's it. Just know your network is going to be your net worth. I do not know a single successful book guy out there who does not network like mad. Get after it, guys.